driven by the power of a 50-year technological legacy. We are the long-standing technological solution partner from field to table. At AKY Technology, the heart of grain cleaning technologies beats here. Today, we produce over 350 types of machinery and equipment, serving customers in all 6 continents of the world. We offer comprehensive solutions for the grain, pulses, nut, seed, and oilseed industries, including cleaning, screening, sorting, packaging, and storage. Across our 110,000 square meter production facilities, we develop world-class technologies using our high-efficiency machine park and modern production systems. Our expert team of engineers ensures every technology meets global standards. By establishing facilities in agricultural locations across Turkey and 88 countries worldwide, we reduce the carbon footprint, and our technology enables high-tonnage production capacity. We are working towards a sustainable future. Our installation teams are simultaneously at work across different continents, in distant parts of the world. Starting from a single machine and evolving into a fully equipped facility, we bring turnkey projects to life. Today, we are a global Turkish brand. With quality and trust, AKY Technology, your partner with seed improvement and processing technologies.